It may take a little time before you can see the true results of a breast augmentation surgery. Here's Dr. Hake explaining what kind of results breast augmentation patients can expect and when they can expect them.
The types of results after breast augmentation depend on several things. It depends on how long the patient is swollen. Some patients obviously are going to be more swollen, some patients less swollen. Most patients can see the results within 2 weeks. I tell my patients, don't go bra shopping for at least 2 or 3 weeks. Patients ask me if there's a difference in recovery between saline and silicone implants, and there really is. Saline implants are a little heavier. Initially, they ride a little higher, they look a little too round, but over the first 2 to 3 months, saline implants have this subtle dropping in period. At the end of about 3 months, both implants are at the right position. They should be where the surgeon wanted them. Silicone implants behave a little differently. They're lighter. They don't go through that intense dropping in period. Usually what I tell my patients, if you choose silicone, the look you're going to have is going to be there at about 2 months. If my patients choose saline implants, I tell them it's going to take over 2 to 3 months for those to settle down. And once we get to 3 months, if that's what you look like, that's what you're going to have for the rest of your life.
For me, the before time was really one where I just felt that I didn't look as good in my clothes. I couldn't fill out my shirts. I felt a little bit self-conscious because I had, such small breasts at that time. And afterwards, I felt much more confident in myself. I really liked that my clothes fit better. I loved that my body was proportionate. So I would tell, someone who's considering breast augmentation, it's obviously a very personal decision, but do your research. And from my personal experience, I would do it over again in a heartbeat.